Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are excited to offer you this superb Triumph Tiger Sport 660, registered the 29th of June 2022 on a 22 plate with only 8,035 miles and presented in Lucerne Blue. This handsome example benefits from full main dealer service history and must-have quickshifter. Triumph have taken their winning formula from the Trident 660 to create the Tiger Sport 660, and it's every bit as impressive. You could call it a tall rounder or a sports adventure, but in many ways it's the half-fed street triple we always wish they'd made, but never did. It's spacious, comfortable, agile and easy to manage, but can be genuinely sporty too, with a front end that fills you with confidence, tires that grip beautifully in all conditions and powerful brakes. That's all on top of a tuneful 3-cylinder engine that's never short of grunt or excitement but still friendly when you need it to be. This exceptional example comes serviced where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, PDI, and a 3-month warranty for your peace of mind. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 0142 444 4448 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Please note, there's a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.